Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are planning to study in Italy for your bachelor's, master's or PhD, one of the first and the most important steps is pre-enrollment. In today's video, I will walk you through exactly how to pre-enroll in an Italian university, what documents you need, which platform to use, and this process is essential for getting your student visa, and it applies to both scholarship and self-funded students. Whether you are applying to universities like University of Bologna, Naples, Genoa, any university in Italy, this guide will help you understand the full process clearly. So let's start. And you, as you see here in international students, then you can click here in pre-enrollment now. Click here. And this leads to this page which says sign in to your account. Since we are new, you should say register here below. Click here. Please fill every information which is asked in this page, including your personal information and some other data like your address, residence, email, and some others. Let's start here. You can fill your name, your surname, your country of birth, city of birth, date of birth, gender, citizenship, tax ID code. You can use yours if you have. Mostly when you apply for Italian universities, they will provide you the tax ID code. So you can copy that code here, otherwise it will generate automatically. And please note that it is not possible to use certified PEC email address. It says this means it is only used in Italy, which is certified email. Since you are from not Italy, or if since you have no PES email, you can leave this one. Here your email address. Please fill your email address and then again fill here in order to confirm. Then your mobile number or phone number. Document type. If you have passport, you can click here. If you have driving license, you can click this one. And for residence permit and some others, including the PA identification card or identity card. Since I have passport, let me click this one. Document number. What is the passport number? Fill here. Issued by, please fill issued country. Valid from. Issue date and also the expiry date of your passport. Then residence, where are you living currently? Your location, zip code, and your address. Please include your street number and house number and some important details about your address here. By cross-checking, say save. It says go to your email to confirm it says. So say okay here. Okay, I received email from them, and they sent me username as well as the password. So use this username and password in order to log in to the Universitaly, and please keep this information. Okay, by using the information, your username and the password, say sign in, and it says please add new password and confirm it. It says so. Please here fill a strong password which includes uppercase, lowercase, symbols. Then it will become strong. Let me use mine. You can use yours. Then after doing this, say submit. Now we finished everything, and it says this is your personal data, and the non-EU citizens or application for a study for visa for Italy, you can click here. It says since we are applying for visa, we should click this one which is says pre-enrollment application. Okay, now we are in pre-registration request. List of questions, it says click here which says new pre-registration application. Now we are in pre-registration request, step A, and this is your personal data and your address and your contact details. So you should click here in academic year and select 2025 or 2026 according to years. Here add your house number, then say go to step B. And then now we are in step B in pre-registration request, and it asks you to upload your personal picture or your personal photo, which is passport size photo, and here your passport image. Please upload those one. Where will you apply for visa? It says you can select the one which comes here. Since I selected Iran as a default, it says embassy in Tehran, so I should click this one and indicate the reason for requesting visa. It says if it's motivation, say motivation. If I want to enroll in a course of study, you can click this one. For study, internship, and some others, it says since we are going to enroll in a course, we should click this one. And institution is the information of the institution. It's a university. Click the university, then the university or the institution name here. You can select the one you are going to study in. Let me select by default University of Parma. Course type, it says what type of course are you going to study. If it's master's, click this one. If it is a single cycle, you can click this one. If it's doctoral degree, you can select this one, and please select according to you want. And this is a master's degree, and what is the language you are going to take the course or the medium of instruction of the course. You can select from those one. The course name, communication engineering, and there are course names here which are offered through this university. You can select the one you are going to study, and scroll down the course location. This is the university name, this is the course name, this is the course type, then the language of instruction, which is English, and the duration is all provided here. After just cross-checking everything, you can leave this one or this section and say go to step C. We are in step C. It says educational qualifications. Please upload your document here. How can you upload this one? I will tell you. The first one here, it says please upload the qualifications that allow access to the chosen course according to the information provided by the higher education institution with any translation in the supporting documents in the language certificates. It says if you are applying for masters, you should upload the bachelor degree document here, including the translation in the which is needed in here. And it says upload the title here. You should select here first what type of document are you going to upload. If it's certificate of English language proficiency, you can select this one and upload the English certificate here. After uploading, please give the name for the file by saying English language certificate. By doing this, say upload the title. Already uploaded, as you see here. It says English language certificate, type English language, something like that. And for the second one, again click this one and select the final diploma or the provisional diploma certificate. The final diploma, again select your diploma here and give the name for the, say upload title. As you see, the second file is also uploaded. So accordingly, upload each and every information here. It says exam certificate or exam transcript, sorry. Again, SEMIA verification certificate. If you have this file, you can upload, including the declaration of value and the certificate produced by an official body of the foreign systems, and each and every information, your CV summarizing your academic and scholastic career, or cover letter or recommendations, and you can get each and every information here. After doing this all, say summary, and it says pre-registration request summary. This is the information you provided. This is all information you provided. And after doing this all, I have read the data processing. See each and every information regarding this pre-enrollment. You can read about this one, and by cross-checking everything, you can say submit the pre-registration application. That's all about. That's all about. And thank you for following me and watching this video. And please subscribe my channel in order to get new and informative scholarship videos. Thank you.